Welcome to the Universal Robots Education LMS. In this video, I will show you around the site, show you how to create and edit classes, view details about a class, and download teaching materials. I will also be showing you how to view a specific student's activity or status and how to reset quiz results. To access the Educational LMS, go to Education at the top right of the screen, click Go to Class List. Only certified teachers can access this. To create a new class, click Create New just under the heading Class List. To create the class, you will need to enter a class name. Specify the class type. Provide a start and end date, along with a short description for the students to see. Once all this information has been added, click the Create New button. Your new class is now shown in the class list along with any other classes you have created. From here, you can edit, delete, or view details about your classes. To edit an existing class, click the Edit button on the class you want to edit. From here, you can edit all the same parameters as when you create the class. To view classes that have already been completed, click the Toggle Past Classes button. You can also view deleted classes by clicking Toggle Deleted Classes. These classes can be restored at any time, and any new classes that you delete will be shown in this list. Details about a class can be viewed by clicking Go to Details. You can download all the teaching materials relevant to a class by simply clicking the items on the list. Each module contains information about the student's progress, and if you click See Answers, more details about the student's interactions will be revealed. Here you can add comments and change the status of a specific interaction. At the bottom of the page, you can see the student's quiz score and which answers were correct, partially correct, or incorrect. To reset a student's results, head back to the overview by clicking Back to Overview at the top of the page. Find the specific module and click the three dots to the right and choose Reset Test Results.